Welcome to your Nova Student Portal. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to log in, check your schedule, book lessons, and manage your account with ease. You'll receive an email with your username and password. Open the email, go to the Student Portal, enter your login details, and click Login. Once you log in, you'll see the home page. At the top, there are two buttons in the top right corner, one for your appointments and another for billing. These give you quick access to these sections, bypassing the sidebar for convenience. As you scroll down, you'll find sections like Your Upcoming Schedule and Quick Links. Under Quick Links, you'll find an option for Online Classes, which will take you outside the platform to the training center. There's also the Home Pickup Coverage Map, showing the areas covered for home pickup. In the Upload Files section, you can upload any required documents for the school. Click Choose File below to select an image or take a picture using your mobile device. Only JPG, PNG, or PDF formats are allowed. After selecting the file, choose the appropriate category for your image or form from the drop-down menu. Then, click Upload. In the Required Paperwork section, you can upload necessary documents. For example, teen students must upload their transcript and wait for approval. Check the Final Exam section for any upcoming exams that need to be completed. In the In-Car Waitlist and Notifications section, you can click both buttons to be notified when appointments become available based on your preferred days and times. On the home page, you'll see an LMS quiz section. Clicking here will take you directly to the quiz section in your Profile tab, where you can select your quizzes, view your average score, and see any remaining quizzes you need to complete. There are also additional buttons to help you navigate to other sections within the Student Portal. Click on the Scheduling tab and then select My Schedule. Here, you'll find your upcoming lessons, ensuring you're always prepared for what's next. To book a lesson, click on Schedule My Drive. You'll see a list of available time slots. Green slots are available, while red slots are already booked, and the gray ones, the date is unavailable or slots are not created. Use the filters to narrow down your search. You can select a specific date, choose weekdays, and filter by start time. You can also select your preferred instructor. Need to change your lesson? Click on Change and choose either Cancel or Reschedule. If you choose Reschedule, simply select a new available time slot. If you no longer need the lesson, select Cancel. It's quick and easy. Important reminder, you must cancel at least 48 hours before your behind-the-wheel practice, or you will be charged a $60 fee for every driving lesson. Please make sure to bring your original permit to class. In your account section, you'll find everything in one place: your profile, enrollment, billing information, appointments, and your files. If you see this message, teen students, if the 3 checkboxes at the bottom of your profile are not checked, that means we still need these forms. You may not schedule drives until these forms are turned in. Make sure to upload the required documents before scheduling. Be sure to keep your profile updated, including your permit information. Need to purchase a package? Go to the Enroll tab, select the package that fits your needs, and complete your enrollment. Once enrolled, you'll see a recap of your package details for review. In the Contact section, you can select the closest location to your home or school, and the map will provide directions. For any questions or assistance, you can call or email Nova directly. That's it! The Nova Student Portal makes scheduling, managing your account, and staying on track simple and stress-free. We'll see you on the road!